In the latest union budget, the government made a long-term statement about where India is headed digitally. They announced incentive running till 2047 to encourage global cloud companies to use Indian data centers to serve the world. That year is important because it marks the 100 years of our independence. So clearly, this isn't a short-term tax move. It talks about how India wants its system to work at all fronts, scale, reliability, and with long-term certainty. The budget wants systems that work in real time and reduce certainty because inside most businesses, खास करके MSMEs में, the most critical system of all is still manual, very manual, and that's where actual contrast shows up. The invoices are forwarded, bank entries are matched by hand, फिर reports late आते हैं and तब the crucial decisions are already taken. Globally, accountants still spend close to 40% of the time entering data. और ये problem सिर्फ efficiency की नहीं है, यहीं से शुरू होता है money stress. Owners don't know how much cash they actually have. Payments feel risky, so on and so forth. You're not running out of money, you're running out of certainty. Circling back to where we began, so when the policy is trying to remove uncertainty at national level using cloud infrastructure, it's fair to ask, why is the financial core of our business still dependent on manual work? That gap is what led us to build Accumation.io, not to replace accountants, but to remove manual work that delays clarity. Because real progress doesn't come from announcements alone, it comes from systems that let people see their numbers clearly when it actually matters. Do you agree with this or not? For more such videos, follow Accumation.io, the future of accounting.